Welcome to this tutorial on highlighting cells that contain date values in Excel. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to achieve this with ease. Let's get started. Firstly, select the range of cells where you want to apply the formatting, such as C1, C4. Now, go to the Home tab in Excel's ribbon at the top of the window. Look for the Styles group and click on the Conditional Formatting button. From the drop-down menu, select Highlight Cells Rules. This will open a submenu with various rule options. In the Highlight Cells Rules submenu, find and click on the A Date Occurring option. This rule allows you to specify conditions based on date values in the cells. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose the condition for highlighting cells that contain date values. You can select options such as today, yesterday, this week, next week, this month, and more, depending on your requirements. After selecting the condition, you'll need to set the formatting style for the cells that meet the condition. Choose the desired formatting, such as font color, fill color, or border style, to highlight or format the cells accordingly. As you make changes in the dialog box, Excel will automatically show you a preview of how the formatting will appear on your selected cells. Take a moment to review and ensure it meets your requirements. Once you're satisfied with the settings and preview, click OK to apply the formatting rule to the selected cells. Excel will immediately highlight any cells that contain the specified date values. Now, you have successfully highlighted cells that contain date values using the Highlight Cells Rules menu in Excel.